My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent. When I was there, I was a teaching instructor as well. I've worked over, 10,000 cases. I'm a national expert in IRS resolutions. I've been on ABC and Fox Business and all the other major stations, actually. Um, on my YouTube channel, I kind of do something, well, I'm a lot different than a lot of people you see on YouTube because I actually work for the IRS, and I kind of open up the curtain. I'm kind of exposing how IRS looks at things and really what you need to know. And by the way, most of my YouTubes come from content you people tell me. You say, hey, Michael, I need to know this, I need to know that. So if you comment and say, Michael, speak to this, you'll probably find a YouTube. So today I want to talk to you about how not to get ripped off by a resolution company. I see a lot of those cases on my desk. People have been ripped off and they call me and man, they paid 5, 8, 10, 14, 20,000, 25,000 for representation. While some of those are warranted, most of them really are not. So let me tell you how not to get ripped off by anybody. So as an agent, when I get a case, you need to know how I work the case so you won't be ripped off. I need to have an IRS transcript in front of me that IRS has on your case. I need to know what's filed. I need to know what's not filed. I need to know, is the tax right? Is the tax wrong? I need to know all these different things even to make a determination. I need to make sure you're current, all your tax returns are filed, and I need to make sure your estimate payments are withholding and up to date. And then I need to see a current IRS financial statement, either a 433F or a 433A. And then I'm ready to make a determination and quote you a fee. When you get these big resolution companies, you're speaking to a very aggressive salesperson who they're trained to work off a commission to get your money, and they don't know jack about IRS. They don't know how your case is going to close. Why? They haven't looked into it. So if you call a company and they says, we want 8,000, we can do this, they haven't pulled the transcript and they haven't looked at your financial statement, they don't know crap about your case. That's how you can tell you're being ripped off. There's been no evaluation done. You must have an evaluation done. Not just a consult. You must really have an evaluation on your current situation. Most of the time, the salesperson is going to sign you up, and he's going to make, or she is going to make half of that money. They've never worked for IRS. They've never negotiated with IRS. They're not licensed for IRS. They're simply sales people from these big companies. So if you don't want to get ripped off, find out the skill level of the person you're speaking to. Sometimes salespeople will lie and say, yeah, I've worked these cases. You have to ask them, you have a license? Did you work for IRS? How many cases like this did you work? Why haven't you asked for a financial statement? You don't really have my transcript in front of me. You'll be able to tell by the questions you asked, very specific, very, very specific, whether you're getting ripped off or not. So once again, a person who's truly going to look at your case are going to ask these questions. What's your last notice? Are all your tax returns filed? Are you current for the year you're in? I want to see a current IRS financial statement, and I want to see a transcript. At that point, the person is ready to bill you and to assess you at that point. So anyway, I hope I've given you information you want. That's how you don't get ripped off by big companies. I'm available for questions. By the way, leave comments on my site if you want me to leave a comment. You leave a comment, I'll probably make a YouTube on it if it's a good question. Also, I really need subscriptions. For some reason, that's what YouTube values. Have a subscription for Michael, and it kind of pushes me up. So I hope you do that. I love to give you the information that you need, and thank you so much. Me and my M&M man give you a big thumbs up. If you notice, my videos are short. I get right to the fillet. I cut off all the fat. Subscriptions, thank you.